guys, it's your girl Janay Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not new here and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time that I post a video. Gang. I'm excited for today because I have not posted a hair review video in dumb long. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. I have not posted a hair review in so long, but I'm here. I am back. Your girl is back. She's back with the slays. Today's slay is very simple, real cute. I went with basically the trends that was going on lately. You know, you got your little side little diamond clip here with the sexy tight dress. Hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. I hope you guys had an amazing holidays. Spent it with your loved ones. Spent it with anybody really. I hope nobody was alone on Christmas this year. Basically gonna get straight into this hair review, so stay tuned for that. All right, you can see today's hair review is a curly wig. This wig is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own coins. So like I always do, I always give you guys honest reviews, my honest opinion, but I'm about to be brutally honest because I did spend this I spent my own money on this wig. This lace front is from Aliexpress, off of a vendor off Aliexpress, and it I believe they're called Abigail or Abigail. That's how it's spelled, but it's like pronounced Abigail, I believe. And yeah, so this is a curly lace front. I cannot remember what kind of hair texture it is, as far as like, is it a Brazilian water wave? Well, okay, actually that is exactly what it is. It is a Brazilian water wave. That is the hair texture, the texture of the curls. They're water wave curls, and they're water wave curls, and then it's Brazilian hair. And like I said, yeah, it's a lace front. So this wig is 26 inches, but I will say that it is not 26 anymore. If it is 26, okay, but I don't think it is 26 anymore, because I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys the cons straight out. This wig sheds like crazy. Like, when I tell you, it's not even shedding, like the hair is coming out of it. But thankfully I had got it in 150 density, so because I knew that the wig was gonna shed, and I didn't want to get a low density curly wig, which I have before, and like the hair shed, and I ended up having like a whole bald spot, and it was so crazy. But yeah, so this wig was 150 density, but it sheds like crazy. So I will say, if you purchase from this vendor, which I will have the links in the description box, if you purchase from this vendor, just be mindful that this hair sheds kind of like every hair on Aliexpress sheds pretty much. I think this is nothing new. I'm pretty sure a lot of us are already aware of how Aliexpress do, but me personally, I shop from Aliexpress. I get my hair, I get clothes from Aliexpress. This dress is from Aliexpress, by the way, and I don't have any problems with Aliexpress. I've never really ran into bad hair per se. Actually, if I'm going to be honest with you guys, I have bought a wig not from Aliexpress, from an actual hair company website, and the hair was terrible. I had to revive the hair and everything. It shed so much that it wasn't as long as what it originally was, what it came. And I spent over $300 for that wig. But this wig was only $144. Like I said, it was 150 density, and it is 26 inches. Okay, like I said, it's a lace front, as you guys can see. I basically customized my own lace front. I don't have any footage of me doing that, but you guys already know how it do. You know what I'm saying? So, regular wig cap construction. It has a comb back here in the neck area, which you guys know I love combs in the neck area because it secures your wig down. yeah, hair is super soft. Obviously you guys can see it was wet, but it's drying up now. I wanted to at least get some footage of it looking wet, and then by the end of this video you guys could see it all dry and stuff. But this wig is obviously super pretty. Like the curls are so gorgeous and the hair is super soft. You can wet it, wash it, pretty much do whatever you want to it, because this is a human hair wig. And I just love it. It's so pretty, isn't it, guys? It's so pretty. And yeah, like I said, water wave, Brazilian water wave, curly lace front wig. I will have all the links down in the description box for you if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, or if you're just interested in checking out this vendor, see what they offer for you. You guys can definitely go do that. I'm about to just play it really quick to show you guys how bomb it looks. Lace is good, like lace is awesome. This hair is like really super pretty, guys. So I advise you guys go check it out, because if I had to choose, I would definitely purchase from this vendor again. I had no complications with this wig other than it sheds a lot. But I've had this wig for a while now, going on like a couple months, 3 months. You guys know I haven't posted a video in so long, but I've had this wig going on 3 months now, and with all the shedding that it has done in 3 months, I will say that it still looks pretty good. I will say though too, also after a while the wig will start to like get tangled or matted, but that's very fixable. Just have a spray bottle with water and conditioner in it, and spray it on the part that's tangled or matted up, and comb it out very lightly. Don't pull or tug or anything like that, and it will come out totally. It will come out because I had some matting going on up here, so be mindful of that. Some matting and tangling going on up here in the lace part area, but all I did was just combed it out, and it came right out. So, and the curls are still intact. I mean, still the hair is still fine. So, and it also didn't make the hair look, you know what I'm saying, too patchy or too bald between the hair strands. So perfect wig. I will rate this wig at 8 out of 10. Once again, I will have all the information down in the description box for you if you guys are interested in checking out this wig. And also, if you guys are interested in this dress, I will have the link to the dress in the description box as well. This dress is super cute, you know what I'm saying? Bust it out for springtime or the summertime next year, because you guys know we're going into 2020. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to drop a quick hair review for you guys. Just wanted to drop a quick hair review for you guys, because I haven't dropped one in a minute. But y'all already see. Y'all can already see. I'm gonna take this clip out. Take the clip out just to show you. And of course, you guys already know how curly hair works. So when it's wet, it lays flat. The curls lay flat, and it looks very pretty. But then when it dries, of course, it gets poofy. But I suggest putting mousse. Mousse keeps the curls intact, so like it won't dry up as poofy. So just grab some mousse. Mousse is also very good to do baby hairs and stuff. Sulfate free mousse, because or is it alcohol free? One of the two, because if you get one that has alcohol or whatever in it, it can make your lace come up, because it will contrast with your glue, the glue that you have laying on your head, having your lace front lay it down. This stuff ooh, this is cute. This stuff in the mousse will make your wig come up. So make sure that it's alcohol free, sulfate free, whatever. And you're in business, baby. So that was it, guys. Once again, I said this is by Abigail, a vendor on Aliexpress. Make sure you guys go check them out. They do have other products, other hair, as far as straight hair, body wave, all of that stuff. And yeah. Hey, when I talk it, I live it. Got a pretty bitch with a vest when I put one leg in the air when I hit it. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, we have some work being done on our house right now, so if you hear like knocking, that's bad. But thank you guys for tuning in. I love you so much. Stay tuned for another video. I have a lot coming for you guys. Check out the channel. I have revisions. I'm revamping my whole channel, all for you guys. I love you so much. And stay tuned. Thanks again. Make sure you like, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And yeah. Gang gang.